On today's broadcast, we have 3 major breaking news. Let's start with number 1 on our list. If this is your first time coming across our channel, please like and subscribe. Welcome to this special broadcast on a major development out of Washington, D.C. I'm your host, Nunny Fight C4, bringing you the latest on U.S. politics and its global ripple effects. Today, we're diving into a landmark Supreme Court decision that's shaking up trade policies worldwide. Let's get right into it. In a 6-3 ruling on February 20, 2026, the U.S. Supreme Court declared that President Donald Trump violated federal law by imposing sweeping global tariffs without congressional approval. The case centered on Trump's use of the International Emergency Economic Powers Act (IEPA) of 1977, which the White House argued gave the president authority to regulate importation during emergencies. However, Chief Justice John Roberts, writing for the majority, stated that this law does not extend to imposing tariffs of unlimited scope, duration, or amount. Roberts emphasized that tariff powers are constitutionally reserved for Congress, echoing the founding fathers' concerns over taxation without representation. This decision marks a significant defeat for the Trump administration on a core foreign policy and economic issue, potentially opening the door to refunds for over $130 billion in collected tariffs. The tariffs, which targeted nearly every U.S. trading partner, including allies like Canada, Mexico, and the European Union, were imposed last year amid claims of trade deficits and national security threats. Lower courts had already ruled against them, but this Supreme Court affirmation is a rare check on executive power. President Trump's response was swift and defiant. Hours after the ruling, he announced a new 10% global tariff, calling the justices fools and lapdogs, and vowing to protect American interests. In a White House news conference, Trump lambasted the decision as terrible, and signed an executive order for the new duties, set to begin immediately. This move has sparked fresh uncertainty in global markets, with economists warning of potential retaliation from trading partners and higher costs for U.S. consumers. The second on our list, today's special update, is on a story that's gone massively viral across social media in Nigeria. A short video clip circulating online claims to show Kano State Governor Abba Kabir Yusuf stepping out of his convoy to urinate by the roadside in public. The footage has triggered widespread reactions, from laughter and memes to sharp criticism and calls for decency from public officials. The clip, which surfaced around February 18 to 19, 2026, shows a motorcade, complete with security personnel and vehicles, coming to a stop on a busy street. A man, identified by many online as the governor, exits one of the vehicles and appears to relieve himself near the road while officers stand nearby. The video is brief, grainy in parts, and has no official audio confirmation, but it's been shared thousands of times with captions labeling it as the Kano State Governor in an embarrassing or hilarious moment. As of now, there has been no official statement from Governor Abba Kabir Yusuf, his office, or the Kano State government confirming or denying the identity of the person in the video. Some posts describe it as an alleged incident, noting that public urination is unfortunately common in parts of Nigeria due to limited access to public toilets, but the involvement of a high-profile figure has amplified the controversy. On X, formerly Twitter, the reactions are pouring in fast. Bartlett Darren called it the most hilarious and embarrassing thing I have ever seen online, sharing the clip and expressing disbelief. At Chronicles RW shared, Nigeria's Kano State Governor Abba Kabir Yusuf stopped his heavily armed convoy to urinate by roadside on a busy street. Africa deserves better. Other users mocked the scene with comments like Abba Ka Sika Gwarzo, or questioned if it's real, while some defended it as a human necessity in traffic-heavy situations. The incident has reignited broader discussions about public hygiene, infrastructure for basic amenities in Nigerian cities, and the conduct expected from elected leaders. Public urination remains a widespread issue in many urban and rural areas, often linked to inadequate sanitation facilities, but seeing it attributed to a sitting governor has struck a nerve for many. We'll keep monitoring for any official response from Kano State or clarification on the video's authenticity. In the meantime, this clip serves as a reminder of how quickly moments can go viral in today's digital age. Our thoughts are with all sides as the conversation continues. Stay tuned for updates. This is Nunny Fight C4, please like and subscribe. The third news on our list today is on this heart-melting story of Dobby in a world full of tough news. Sometimes a little extra cuteness is just what we need. Today we're shining the spotlight on Dobby, a 7-month-old black kitten from Alabama, USA, who's become an internet sensation thanks to his truly unique look. Dobby was born with a rare genetic mutation known as auricular polyotia, which gives him what appears to be 4 ears, extra non-functional ear flaps that make him look absolutely adorable and one of a kind. This condition is extremely rare, described as 1 in a million, and it also comes with a short, curled tail and a severe underbite that will require dental surgery soon. Fortunately, the extra ears don't affect his hearing at all. He's a perfectly healthy, playful kitten with bright golden eyes and a personality to match. Dobby is currently being fostered by Stephanie Brown through Kitty Cat Haven and Rescue in the Birmingham area. Stephanie says his double ears are so unique and cute, it's impossible not to be drawn to him. She's fostering him until he recovers from his upcoming surgery, expected around April or May, after which he'll be ready for his forever home. The surgery is estimated to cost about $3,000, and the rescue is fundraising to cover it. The good news? Dobby is so irresistible that adoption applications have already been closed. There's a waiting list of eager families ready to welcome him. Stephanie hopes he finds a home with children, as he absolutely loves kids and responds positively to them in a way that's unusual for many cats. This story has gone viral on major outlets like CNN, Newsweek, and local Alabama news, with videos and photos showing off Dobby's charming features. On X, formerly Twitter, people are buzzing. At WVTM13 shared updates on his foster journey, calling him 1 in a million, and noting the closed applications due to overwhelming interest. Other users are sharing clips and expressing pure joy over this irresistible little guy. Dobby reminds us that differences can be beautiful, whether in animals or people, and embracing uniqueness often leads to the best love stories. While Dobby's spot is taken, Kitty Cat Haven and other rescues have plenty of special cats waiting for homes. If you're in the Alabama area or looking to adopt, check out rescues near you. Every pet deserves a loving family. Who knows, your next companion might have their own special charm. Stay kind, stay cute, Catface Redheart.